In this video, I'll show you how to remove profanity in Premiere Pro using FireCut. I have a 1 hour long live stream with my drive. Watching a 1 hour long video will take us at least an hour, and detecting certain words can be tricky on our brain. So that's why I'll go into remove profanity, I'll click onto the full sequence and click on analyze. It will do the analysis in batches of 5 minutes. Once finished, we can see that it detected the 8 words that need to be removed. Now, this is the standard profanity list, but we can click on the none, or in other words, a custom block list only. And here we can put specific words that it's going to identify. And if there are any specific words that we want to allow, we should put them here. But I'll go back to the standard list. We also need to choose which option we want to go for, if we want to completely mute or bleep. So the bleep is going to make a sound, and we're just going to be silent. So we can choose if we want to do a beep or a quack, a dolphin, or an ahuga. Or we can go ahead and click on library and select a specific one from our computer. We can also control the volume and how loud it's going to be. Then if we scroll down, we can take a look at exactly the things that I want to get rid of, or we can take a look at the whole transcript. It's going to be very long because it's an hour-long video. Click on remove profanity. Now, if we zoom in to specific points, like for example, we're supposed to have some words here. Let's take a look.
I had in this alley at one point in my life.
Let's go ahead and listen to what we have here.
9 feet large, and so Megabell's coming.
So now the video is brand safe and is ready for further use.